TV Negative, myself as a computer science teacher. Today I am going to teach you class 6, chapter 11. Topic is Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel. In this topic, there is a subtopic is functions and sorting. You know what is MS Excel? Microsoft Excel allows speedy and accurate calculations. Means it is mainly used for calculation product. Its pages is just like a spreadsheet pages. Its page is just like this row and column is together known as cell. Intersection of row and column is known as a cell. Cell active. When active, it is highlighted. Here you can put your loads of numbers here and do calculation. Then it is a functions and sorted key. The MS Excel allows speedy and accurate calculation. It is mainly used for calculation purpose. It is used widely to study financial information such as budget. Suppose you will write here any program in the budget passed by in the Lok Sabha, in tax calculations, balance sheet, you see credit and debit, and many more you can do from in this Microsoft Excel. It is very important topic. It is here you can do a lot of work here. This Microsoft and my sorting Excel help you to widely study of financial in a budget. There is a lot of budget per person that can be put in this MS Excel, and also budget text also calculations, balance sheet. In a balance sheet, how many credit and debit you will see in the banks. This is balance sheet program are there. How many there is this and many more. This is very important for us. This is Microsoft Excel. This is only for in a Microsoft company. Microsoft. This Microsoft company will launch in this. There is many MS Word also, MS Excel or MS PowerPoint access. So here in a function and sorting, we should discuss about what is a function and sorting. And in the sorting, we can write anything in a ascending or descending order. This is known as sorting. First one is function. A function is a task that is preparing to produce a result. Means function means what? Here a function is a task. You can do a lot of words here, and after doing a lot, the result is notice. You can notice it. This is known as functions. So this functions is provided you with lots of functions. Here, the first one is statistical functions, financial functions, date and time functions, mathematical functions, logical functions, text function, database functions, informations, financial functions, and lookup and recurring functions. These are 9 functions are under this program. We should highlight one by one. First one is statistical function. It calculates the maximum, minimum, average, etc. of a set of a number. Suppose there is many lots of number here. You can write here maximum numbers here. Suppose you write here in a scenario. Suppose you write here 36, 42, 52, 32. You write here, and after writing a cell box, you write in a cell box. You have to put a maximum. So you write in a maximum. This is a maximum function, and there is a minimum. This is a minimum function, and average you can add it. After adding it, you divide by 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your average. This statistical function gives you lots of work in a Excel. It make your calculation very easy in a Microsoft also. This statistical function it calculates the maximum, minimums, average, sheet of a set of numeric data. That's why it is very statistical function very important. That is chapter in mathematics also statistics where you can do a graph. You can make a graph, a graph, polygon, etc. You can do in this statistical function. Second one is financial functions. In a financial is related to money. So it calculates interest of a loan. It calculates interest also of a loan. If you take a loan, it gets interest also. Number of installment of a loan and amounts of every installment. Means financial function. If you suppose you be a financial things anything in the markets from the bank also, you take a loan. It gives a status of how many loans are there, how many interests are there in there. Suppose there is a KCC card, Kisan credit card. If you take a loan from the bank, you give interest of 2%, 3% within a 5 years. If you don't give it in a time way, the interest is going to most worse in a CI compound interest. Third one is date and time function. In a date and time function, In a date and time function, it gives a date, how many dates are there. In each time you can do a lots of work. It gives you a date also and time also in a page. Mathematical function, in a mathematical function, you can open the square root also. You can do a square root of anything. Square root, cube root, means what are mathematical function, means what are the mathematical work you can do here. In logical functions, there is a logical function of if. In a logical function of yes greater than 5, so you can put yes value 10 greater than 5. This is a logical function. Text function, in a text function, you can type anything. Suppose you can type computer, you can type a computer here in this text function. In a database function, you can make a query in a MS Access program. Your data maintain your data. Suppose in a word company word RAM and 80,000 rupees interest how much. You can place a lot of work here in your data for information. This information function. In this function, whatever data give you result, you can take a information functions. And lookup and reference function. Lookup reference is you can highlight your looks, how many work you have done. Lastly, you can give the balance sheet also and calculate how many interest goes this function. So this MS Excel is very important for you. As this cells and lots of work. So I highlight one and in this. In a sorting, you can write this order in a ascending order or in a descending order. This is known as sorting. So, MS Excel allows speedy and accurate calculation. It is used widely to study financial information such as budget, text. Suppose in a budget, and there is lots of budget part, how many texts are imposed, how many calculation, balance sheet. And many more you can do here from this function. This function is process tasks many, and this result is preparing it to produce a results. Thank you. Have a nice day.